Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. First of all, Happy New Year. I don't think I've spoken to you since New Year, have I? I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and a good New Year's and all that lovely stuff. I'm back today with another video featuring some new GLAM products. I have got their brand new Confetti Dreams collection here. This consists of 8 different gel polishes that are absolutely stunning and I'm really excited to show you all. I've also got these, which I did already film a set of nails for this video. However, I'm actually going to do a different set of nails today. I'm not going to include, I'm going to pop a picture up here. And I did this set of nails using these inks and a couple of the colours from the new Confetti Dreams collection. I'm just not that happy with the set of nails, so I'm not going to bother doing the full footage of how graded or anything like that. Just have a little picture here and I'll pop it on Instagram kind of thing, you know. But I don't feel like I included enough of the new Confetti Dreams collection, so this video was meant to be up like a week ago. But I've been working on that set and I'm just not happy with it, so yeah, today I'm going to do a new I'm still not even sure what I'm doing, but I'm going to do a completely different set and try and feature more of the new Confetti Dreams collection. But these are the alcohol inks that I use. These are wicked. Got 15ml bottles. These they just kindly sent to me as a gift. I've made a bit of a mess of the bottle already, but I've got a white alcohol ink. They're really nice to work with as well. I will feature a quick clip here of me creating with these. But they are really nice to work with, and we've got the black one as well. They're really nice. I'm really grateful for them sending these to me because I don't actually have any other alcohol inks. But yeah, they're really nice to work with. But that's what mostly that set ends up featuring. I did intend on using more of the Confetti Dreams collection and it just didn't work out like that. And it ends up being a Valentine's Day set unintentionally as well. So yeah. So I featured them and I figured like I really need to do a set that actually shows this collection more. So like I said, this is the Confetti Dreams collection. This is brand new, just been released. It's like a new year kind of thing. Try and get it to stay put. This is a stunning collection, by the way. I really, really love this. I'll do it upside down now. I haven't filmed for a while either, have I? So like talking filming, so I feel a bit like funny today. I feel like I'm struggling to get my words out, but this is the new collection. There's some gorgeous colours in here. We've got some sparklies and we've just got some normal opaque nice ones. They're in different bottles actually compared to the normal GLAM that I get, because yeah, normally they come in bottles like this, these 15ml bottles. This new collection are in these 12ml bottles with gorgeous like gold lids. I believe it's still the same formula, you know, vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and henna free. As I say in all my videos, these are the best formula you can get in a gel polish. But like a little sample, they're gorgeous. So I'm going to go through and show you some swatches of all of these first, and then I'm going to try and do a set of nails and try and do a better job than what I did the other day. But yeah, let's dive in. Okay, since that's the one I had in my hand, I'm going to show you this one first. This one is called Make a Wish. I have pre-swatched them all just to save time. These have all had 2 coats each, just because like with the glitter, I really want to show you the glitter. It's sort of got like black and gold glitter in it. Super sparkly. Super pretty. Really nice. That's how it looks matte as well. It even looks pretty matte, and I don't normally say that about a glitter gel polish, but it does even look pretty matte. That's Make a Wish. This next one is called New Me. It's a gorgeous sort of nude colour. That's how it looks matte. It's really nice actually. I'll quite happily use that quite a bit, I think. Very similar to another gel polish. I can't even remember what it's from now, but I had another gel polish very similar colour to this, and I've done so many sets with it. Absolutely loved it. It's quite a yellowy tone nude, this one. But yeah, it's New Me. Gorgeous. This one is called Ice Queen. Quite sort of denim blue to me, really. I love it matte. I think it's absolutely stunning matte. And it's just really pigmented and really lovely to work with. This is one that I featured in that set of nails I showed you called Midnight Kiss. I don't know, it's quite sort of a deep sort of grey colour really, isn't it? But it's got like a sort of slight purple hue to it. Again, it's beautiful matte as well as glossy. And I really love it. And yeah, that's the one I use for that set of nails. Gorgeous. Got this one which is called Purplelicious. Very, very nice purple. In fact, this is the first time I've got a purple from Madame Glam. It's this sort of colour. I've got some lilac snap, but I don't actually have deep purple, so I'm really happy about this. It looks stunning mattified again as well. We have got this sort of quite light orange colour called Cheers. As you can see, they look so pretty, both matte and glossy. And you can see they're just so pigmented and creamy and just the perfect consistency and the perfect gel to work with, in my opinion. Yes, Cheers. Then we have got Urban Green. As you can see, so pretty. Really, really pretty. And again, I don't have a colour like this for Madame Glam. Well, I do now, but I'm really chuffed with it. Then last, but certainly not least, this is my favourite out of it. This one is called Glam Resolution. But I've not done the best of jobs at applying it. I was wearing this one on my nails the other day. It looks gorgeous matte and glossy. I don't think the camera's really doing it justice, but it's so pretty. It really is gorgeous. It's got such a lovely sort of reddy orange shift to it. And yeah, it's probably my favourite one out of the whole collection. But yeah, that is the whole entire Confetti Dreams collection. With this collection, you can actually buy it as a whole, or you can also buy the colours individually, which I love. I love the fact Madame Glam do that. But this is the whole entire collection dedicated to the new year. It says on the description, a stunning assemble of 8 new gel polishes that captures the essence of celebration, which I think is really cute. But yeah, 6 cream gels, 2 glittery gels. They are so nice to work with. They've got a great formula. As always, I've never said a bad word about Madame Glam because I really do love all of their gel polishes. I've always been really happy with them. Yeah, this is the colours I'm working with today. I sort of have an idea of what I might do. I don't know if I'm going to be able to squeeze all of these colours into a set, but I'm going to try and do what I can, and hopefully it won't be a disaster like it was the other day. So yeah, I'm going to dive in and start getting creative. I really hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'm going to crack on now and see what I can do. So yeah, see you shortly. Okay, so that is the final design. I couldn't find my long tips. I'm really disappointed because I really wanted to do a set on like a long set of nails, but I couldn't find them anywhere. Don't know where they've gone. So we've ended up going with some short tips instead. I thought I'm trying to be optimistic that spring's coming soon and the flowers will start coming up and it's going to start getting warmer. So I thought I'd do like a spring kind of theme set. And they're not perfect, I know. It's a little bit rushed, but I think they're cute. They are cute, and like, you know, you guys saw yourselves. Those gel polishes are lovely to work with. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you've liked any of the products I featured in this video, they will be linked down in my description box, along with the discount code, which is SammyJo35. That will get you 35% off of all of your orders at madamglam.com. So yeah, be sure to go check them out. But yeah, other than that, I hope you all have a great day whatever you're doing. I'll be back soon with a brand new video. So yeah, much love, and I shall see you next one. Bye!